ladies and gentlemen, have fun, enjoy Ultrace 2024. Clap to Ultrace 2024. Eat, drink, talk, laugh, do. Let's enjoy. That's the word. Peace.
Already on it. That looks so sick. Oh,
Kurwa. Famous.
double bed. Double bed. Take mine. It's like little rabbit holes. Mate, I see your tits. Nice feet, mate. No, you dirty little cat. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. The fitment. Is it? That's a sick fitment. I like it. Is it sexy or not?
That was one that we saw going hard. This is a 997.
Jeez. Wait, it's from the Netherlands.
JDM spec.
I like this. Oh, wait, it's got sort of like
T37.
TEs on the front to XXRs on the rear. Jeez, that's sick. But it's got 36 problems. It's got no door cards. I like it. I like it, bro.
It has got clean sunroof. Yeah, you guys are like,
True.
oh, our car needs to be pristine. Why is it clean sunroof?
Because they're all rusted out. I kind of like the spoiler in this.
Yeah, I'm fucking with it.
That's nice. Whoa. Sick. That is good.
Thank you.
That's nice. Mate, build, that is spot on. That is spot on. That's mental.
That's a bit of steep, isn't it?
That is mental.
I love your car.
It's fucking daylight from the end of the club, brother. It's daylight, bro. Mate, it's daylight, bro. It's daylight, bro. Daylight after a club. That's mental. Oi, we've been in the club all night and it's fucking daylight, bro. Hey, it's blue skies. It's actually a sunny day.
Oh my God.
How does that work?
Stadium, then, bro.
This is the stadium, yeah.
Yeah, this is where we're going for this Saturday. Sunday.
This will be all
Well, I
different.
bet it's filled up with cars already. Look at that deal. That's cool. He broke out. Broke it.
Right.
It's fun.
Spotted Kevin. I'm doing it. I don't know if we're allowed in there. Shit. Look at the 30, bro. Look at this, is insane. I'm not sure if we're allowed in here, but I couldn't resist. Shit. Look at it, man. It is mental in here. Look at this. That's the winner. Boy. Wait, this is my garage. Oh my god. We'll just get out of here before I get told off. I don't know if we're allowed in here or not, so. Yeah, that does look serious.
What, you see what I mean? It's the biggest airfield I've ever seen. Oh, that's still on the Lexus.
Look at the cutouts, look, for the angle. Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? The size of your phone.
Yeah, you can actually fit an airfield.
Look how much room there is.
It's literally just because the engine's out of stroke, isn't it?
Mate, look at the iPad for all the dials.
What size is it?
Falcons.
She's got a rain sport in the front, she's got in the rear.
Mate, she's got a jet plate as well.
Wider they've done it.
Yeah, it's very wide.
Look through this hole. Yeah. Look through this hole, it's about there.
What's it got? Oh yeah.
I feel like we now need to win.
This is so sick, isn't it? Mate, look at the back. Yeah, I like how they've done the carpets in there. That is insane.
I think one of the more interesting ways to get a motorbike engine.
Gang, gang. Gang, gang. But you know you get smoked.
Smoke my ops, cuz. My ops.
Now with your right hand all the way back and release. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm at the target. Align the sides.
This
Grab
kicks
it.
Aki.
But you need to put it against your shoulder. Okay? Like this. Lean forward a little. The real side, the front side, and your target. Okay? Slowly press the trigger.
Jesus.
Okay. Maintain the recoil. Apply some pressure from your right hand to your shoulder. Yeah? You need to press against it.
Hug it. Just slowly click the trigger.
This part of the finger, not here. Here. Okay, but not that serious with a long gun. The handgun is much harder.
This is hard.
Yeah, the gun gets hard. Okay, so you saw it? Like like this? Yeah, so I assume that your hits will be a little lower and left, yeah? Because you jerked it. Yeah, and you anticipated the recoil. Yeah, so you look like yeah, you need to have all the time the same strength and will work. Yeah? So you will go back and automatically you will go on target. Yeah?
Okay.
So you just need to have some pressure, but don't anticipate it. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, because now you will be in the target, like this, okay? But with the handgun, if you do this with the head of the target, because the handgun has a shot barrel and yeah,
Okay, okay.
the gun will do like this, it's a small difference. With the handgun, it's a big difference. Okay, magazine out.
Just the barrel.
Okay, check the chamber. Right hand, push back all the way, hold it, look. And, okay.
Where are you guys from?
Germany.
From you? UK. UK, Holland, UK. Oh, from UK, yeah.
Nope, we are also waiting for taxi or Uber or something.
Yeah, boy.
and afterwards I was on the trailer. Nice.
Hello, our friends from Germany.
Yes.
There's no taxis. So we're
No,
gonna
we don't need taxi boy.
No taxi.
serious.
Our Polish taxi.
This is a modern chariot. Yeah.
Post and chariot.
Oh yeah, it's gonna help me out.
I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Should have some seats in the back of here.
It'll be really fun.
Yeah, now we're in the back of a trailer full of mud. It's a good view though.
So I can go to the end of the street. Yes.
And now I'm sure you have the point, and because there is no address,
I see.
you know.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Where do we go?
Ladies and gentlemen, have fun, enjoy Ultrace 2024. Clap to Ultrace 2024. Eat, drink, talk, laugh, do. Let's enjoy. That's the word. Peace.
Welcome to Ultrace, people. Liberty Walk, Kuntash. What's this? Liberty Walk, bro. This is nuts. This is a bit of me. Look at this. Oh, look at it. Look how clean that is. The car is. It's got the OZs. With the view. That's nice, isn't it? Mona Lisa is alive, baby. Monica! Look, the wheels. They're actually like.
That's crazy.
I actually don't know. What is that, bro? That is insane. It's crazy. Look at them. You walk into them. Oh, that is cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's mad. It's a drift one. That's mad. Hold my beer, bro. Take the beer.
Too, so because other people have been driving them, yeah. So we limit to 7,000, but this thing will go to like 8.2. Right. Yeah. That is crazy. Oh my god. Sounds unreal.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
So it's a 991 GT3 RS titanium muffler. Right. And then we made the custom titanium tips.
Oh, Okay.
This car is just a bit different. Though. It's my
Yeah.
favorite one.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, yo. Chiefman's one. Never seen this kit on a GR before. Look at the width. Sick, innit? Oh. Those heads. It's mad. That's mad. Oh, look at this. What the fuck, bro? Look at that. That's nuts. That is insane. Bags, bro. Sheepman's GTR.
Everybody is a winner who came to Ultrace. I said it before.